Mr. Beast just announced TEAMSEAS, and in today's video, I'll donate $2 for each and every project I like. And also, I'll soon be doing a live stream dedicated to TEAMSEAS fundraising. We'll have a lot of fun, so make sure you join. Go to teamseas.org and donate as much as you can. And also go and watch Mr. Beast's announcement video for more information. So let's get into project review. Okay, so Pokémon Red Fire 2.1, let's see this. Here we go, retro programmers. Press start. Okay, space bar is the start button. Okay, here we go. Hello there, glad to meet you. Welcome to the world of Pokemon. My name is Oak. People of Action got me. But first, let me tell you about yourself. Now tell me, are you a boy or a girl? I'm Fanjoa. I'm male. Let's begin with your name. What is it? Fanjoa. Right, so Fanjoa is your name. Yes. Your journey begins now. Get on farmers and move northwards. Okay, alright. Let's go. Where is the gate? Okay, we have to go downstairs. This artwork looks really good. And let's move. But there is no music. I don't know why. The animation is playing after I have seen the ground, or what do we call it, outside world. But that should not happen. You should put that as a transition. Okay, northwards. This is northwards, like upside is northwards. Let me see what's there. There are trees. Okay. Oh, that was scary. Oak, wait, it's dangerous out there. Pokemons live in tall grass. Okay, so what should I do now? Tall grass. Where is tall grass? Where is tall grass? Here we go. No, this is flowers. You can't touch the flowers. That is weird, I guess. No, this is not tall grass. Where is tall grass? Tall grass. What is this? Let me see this. Let's move in. Here we have tall grass. No, this is a plant. Okay, again you can see that is glitching out. We have 3,723 clones. Okay, so this game is not complete, I guess. The FPS is really dropping like... Hey, what happened? Turbo Warp crashed, I guess. So this game is really good, but has problems. Just fix the unplayable situation bug and also add some directions so that we actually know where to go and what to do. Okay, so Kiwi OS by Elios. Let's see this. This looks pretty good and basic. Search, word Kiwi, music, egg play, trash bin and shutdown button. Let's see search, egg, light pinkness, egg videos. Okay. Where can I search? Hello. How can I exit this? How can I exit the app? How can I exit the app? I have to restart the project for that. Okay, news. I can't hear anything. How can I exit the app? Okay, we have the left arrow key. Word. What can I type? Type Kiwi. Okay. Stop. Okay, it stopped. Then now again a Kiwi. Okay. Music. Dance around eggs. Electric piano. 3. It works. If you are a beginner, this is a good progress. Just add the instructions. Okay, so Planetary Hop 6 by Amit Chaudhary. Let's see this. Okay, thanks for playing. Play. Let's see. We have really good things here. Very cool earth. Ooh, that was epic. Wow. This much jump, like, seriously? That is pretty low. Okay, that works. The art of this game is epic. Not gonna lie. The art is epic, just epic. Ooh. My god, that was pretty epic. Wow. Here we go. That was pretty easy, I guess. Like, we have to just hold the right arrow key and it will work. How can I cross this? This is not working. I can just not do that. It is just not working. Like, how can I pass this level? This is not working. Even if I jump, there's a like 1 centimeter jump. I cannot do that. Still a great game. I gonna donate for this. So this project is really very good. Just fix the jumping problem or just make the levels possible to complete somehow. Other than that, epic. Also, Elios or Escape Endless Platformer game by Ash Herobrine Oi. Let's see this. Click character, choose outfit. Okay, I'll choose this. Bear. More like Fanjoa. Okay, we have a basic platformer with epic music. This game is really easy and repetitive. I don't know why. I'm just going on and on the same levels. So this game is not so good. This game looks very raw with just boxes everywhere. Add some artwork and do something unique with this. And also make more levels and don't let it be repetitive. Okay, so Carlson 2D version 0.4 by Cynthia Solomon. Let's see this. This looks really good. Gives me the vibes of fun game, I guess. Press space to begin. It's exactly that. Okay. That is pretty good. So this game is really good. I can't say anything much about the game mechanics because you have just changed the art. And if you talk about art, that is epic. Okay, so T-Rex Runner by Anish Innovations. Let's see this. Ooh, Scratch add-ons. What? You don't know what Scratch add-ons is?
So Scratch add-ons is an awesome tool to make your Scratch editor better.
Let's see, play. Ooh. Nah. Like, what should I say? This looks like the original game a little bit, like, nice try. But the thing is, the jumping thing is not implemented correctly. Like, you can see it is jumping very high. And you can see it, if I just do this, the same thing, it will just keep on going. And I cannot control that. Even if the levels gets faster. Okay. This is not how it crouches, but yeah, that is good. This game is fun though, but repetitive gameplay. You can see I am on like 40 points and it is just repeating itself, not something difficult. Okay, so this game is decent. You need to work on the artwork and jumping of the game to make it look more like the real one. With the Shapes Defense by the Golden Minecart. Let's see this. It's a very early preview of the game, so a lot of bugs may occur. Please report the bugs if you see them. Have fun. Very cool. Okay, so let's see this. Casual. Wow. This is really epic. Or am I being... Okay, yeah. I thought something else because I can see something else with these glasses. I can see a little bit of glow, which you can add. That will be really good. I am seeing it because of my glasses. And it is looking so good. Just try adding some white glow to this. The animations are also good, like just fading away and changing the size. I don't find this difficult. Ooh, here we go. We have some difficulty stuff. That is pretty good. I was wrong about this. Ooh, this is a type of monster or something, I guess. Very cool, very epic. Ah, okay. This game is good. So this game is good. I like the looks of this game and also the shooting blocks. Blobs Weapon Playground V1 by TRFG code Lemon Tiger. Let's see this. Okay, this is a type of sponge or something. What is this? Okay. We can shoot or something, I don't know. Gun cooldown. Okay. Weapon 2. Okay. What is this? Okay, we can change the background. What is this? But like, I get what you want to make, but this is not what you want, I guess. I can't say anything about this project. Okay, so Ball by Manisha Nigwal. Let's see this. That is pretty good. The thumbnail. The ball. Okay. B-A-L-L. Okay. O-L-L. Settings. Wide desktop. Moving background. Music. Very cool. I'll turn off the music. I don't know if this is copyrighted or something. Play level 1. Ball runner. Let's see. The difficulty is just very cool. Or too difficult? I don't know. I'm bad at these games. My phone battery. Wait a second. How should I record? I'll not stop recording, but I have to do something. Idea. Here we go. Very Catholic. Here we go. Ah. Okay, we were on this game. Anyways, I have to do some cheating here. Okay, here we go. I have to do cheating. I cannot do anything. I have to show level 2. Anyways. Ooh. That is some easy level thing, I guess.
Bye, have a great time.
Cheating. Okay, so we have things like that. Very epic. So this game is really good. I like its difficulty system, but still would recommend making it a bit easier in the first few levels. Okay, so Colorless by Manish Anigwa. Let's see this. Okay, the thumbnail was epic. We have the same type of intro for like ball and color both. Easy, hard, insane. Okay, insane is shaking. That is pretty good effect. Easy, I'll guess. Anyways, so this game is really good. Just everything of this is good. I can't say anything bad. Okay, Just Flap by Manisha Nikwa. Let's see this. Same type of stuff. The sound and music is really good, but I'm turning that off because it's really loud. And the intro is cool. Let's see. What should I do? Oh, Flappy Bird type game. I'm better in Unity than playing in playing Flappy Birds or platformers. Like I'm better in Unity than that. Okay, 2 points. That is pretty epic for a player like me. So same level, like it will repeat itself or it will just go faster. So this game is really good. I couldn't play much of this, and so I would recommend making it a bit easier in the first few levels. Other than that, it's great. Okay, so minimalistic race platformer by Manisha Anigwa. Let's see this. This is looking pretty epic. Very loud. And also really difficult. You need to work on that for this game at least. How can I even move? Like, I cannot move. This is so difficult. If I just put it here, it will just win. And you can see we just lose as soon as we enter. So you cannot play this without losing. So this game is not so good. You need to reduce the difficulty or it will be unplayable. The art of this game is good. Okay, so the best pen game in the world by Jensen6677. Let's see this. The best pen game ever. Okay, so it is a Rickroll. We don't have the music. How is it a Rickroll? It is not a Rickroll if it does not have the music. You failed. Do not submit projects like these or you will get banned from submitting in project review. Also, you cannot Rickroll me. Okay, so Hunter of Xander episode 1. Death of the Demon King. Zubem Moneke. Okay, let's see this. Okay, anyways. Shadow X, very cool. The shine was pretty good. Okay, sub copyrighted music. I will just mute it. Play. Okay, so we have some cool animations. That was pretty cool. I will skip the cutscene. Okay, so I can just do this. It's a basic platformer with a story. And it is not so good. What? Okay, so we have health. Okay. We have health system like 80 or something, like you can see. And once we touch an obstacle, we will not lose health with that. That is pretty weird. Like you can see, I'm just not losing health and we can just pass through it. And then we receive hearts, which we cannot just jump and get that. I don't know why. What was that? Okay, we have to go down. That is something cool. I like these types of games. I've never played them, but yeah, I like this a lot. I don't know. Press E to pick up the gun. Click to shoot. Okay, let's see. This is your warning to turn around and leave round before the things get ugly. No, I will not. Let's see. Then I warned you. Okay, alright. Let's see. It exploded. What is this happening? Okay, so now we can move. That is pretty easy. Like, That was pretty easy. Now what is this? Okay, this is not attacking. Only the balls are attacking. I don't know. Wait a second. The ammo is not coming out of from the gun. How is this coming from here? Okay, what is this going on? This is repetitive gameplay. You need to avoid that. For if you do this for long, like player will not play. It will just stop the game and go away. You need to fix that. Just don't do this. We also have some wall glitching or something. I don't know. What is this ball-like thing? Let me see. No. If the boss eyes are have lost their light, then beware every 5 seconds. Spikes will income. Okay. I'll just stay here. Okay, incoming. I am safe. I guess that is not an intended feature now. Because we are safe from spikes. Completely. Okay, so last stage, I guess. Ooh, we have spikes. I didn't see that. Oh, 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 oh. So this game is really epic. I like everything of it. Just fix all the problems like wall sticking and it will be fine. Also, pick a particular art style rather than using random things everywhere. Okay, so Cube Battle, Clement Lim Rui Hong. Let's see this. The thumbnail looks epic. Okay, Colorless Wing Studio. I've seen this before. Same team, 1 player. We have Cube Battle Royale, start, 40 players. Classic solo, how to play, part 1, part 2. Okay, we have multiplayer and this is a really good start menu. Start. We just play here, but this should just move away. What is going on? Okay, so we are flying. We can move, we can just pick up stuff. That is pretty epic. A bit confusing, but yeah, good. I'll just pick it up, I guess. Spacebar. What should I press? Player 1. W jump arrow, ADLR move, okay. 2U slash, okay, to pick up gun. S2 down arrow to shoot or arrow. Y to quit game, you are ready. Let's go. How to play? Okay, start. Okay, I'll just pick it up. Slash. No! No, 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 no. Okay, this is really hard. Let me find a gun. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, slash, 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 slash. Alright. Let me find a gun quickly. I cannot just pick it up. Where is the second slash thing? So this game is good. I like its mechanics and start menu. The problem lies in the controls. Like I just couldn't pick up a gun. Just fix that and I think it will be good. So go to teamseas.org and donate as much as you can. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.